to my heart, I couldn't prevent it.
Hey guys, let's try this again. I tried to vlog a couple times recently and it didn't really work. So let's try one more time.
Good morning, babe. How's your day going? Just getting out the house, skating a little bit. You know, cool kids. I'm actually just trying to get to my brother's place because I left my car there the other day.
It is currently, I think, a Thursday and I have to go to work. I have a 3-day trip. It's around 8:30 probably. Let me check. Can't check because I'm currently vlogging on my phone. That's fine. It's about 8:30 and I woke up at 7, but I literally laid in bed for over an hour and a half. Turn the coffee on. I gave up coffee last month. I'm back on drinking coffee, but I only drink about 1 cup a day. Very rarely will I have like half of another cup, not even 2 cups. If I have more, it's usually decaf. I made my little coffee. It's very easy when it's instant, but it's missing 1 core ingredient, and that ingredient is cream. This is better half, coconut cream and almond milk. I'm specifically telling you about this because it's really good. I love it. And it's really like creamy and thick. And when I'm at home, I use a really healthy amount of that.
Okay, so today, backstory. So maybe a week ago, I bought my first investment car. It is a Ford Focus, and it's going to be a rental car. I'm in it right now, driving it to the location. But today is very exciting because I'm fixing the last little bit of thing on it so that I can start utilizing it for a platform like a renting platform. So very exciting. I don't know if you can see it, but my car is actually following behind me. Let's see if you can see it. It's raining a little bit. And it's a smidge in the background. But my car is actually following behind me right now because my brother's driving it. We're going to drop this car off. Hopefully they fix the thing by today. And by tomorrow, I should have it on the platform. Can't wait. Very big step, very adult step, very exciting step to just making more income, different streams of income. So stay along with me, babe. Let me know how your day going.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so good. My legs are feeling kind of weird, but I can't help but think that it's how my bed is set up. I just had this thought like today, I feel like this morning when I was laying there, maybe a couple days ago I started to think this, but I really started to think it today. And now I feel like I have to do something about it. So
Just a little update, right? I'm sure you can hear it. It's raining cats, dogs, and mice outside. Why mice? It's that bad. Like, all that is rain. There's supposed to be like a storm, a tropical storm, but that was like 2 days ago. And I didn't watch the news since. But I keep on pushing. I am going to get this car to this mechanic, get it fixed, and hopefully have it up for rent by Friday or by today, hopefully. And now the rain is stopping. We're in Florida. That's how you know you're in Florida. If it rains 5 minutes, thunderstorm, and in the next 5 it's sunny. I wish you could see this. I'll change the camera view. But literally ahead of us is looking sunny.
And I'm going to start prepping my food for the next 3 days because, like I said, I have a trip and I want to bring stuff with me. So join me. I'm going to do a little meal prep.
Okay, a little bit of a sad news. Not really sad, but I drove 30 minutes, brought the car here, and I gotta bring it back Tuesday.
I'm trying to decide if there's anything I can eat for breakfast. I'm not sure. I made these sweet potatoes last night, and I'm gonna get some black beans and mix it together and make tacos. That's what I'm gonna do for my lunches. I'm also gonna prep some dippable snacks, which is carrots and peppers, which by prep I just mean like throw in my lunch. I don't think I really even have to do anything. Maybe I'll like just take a few and not all of them. And I'm going to bring salad. I have this pre-mixed salad, but I'm gonna add some spinach to it, which is in my salad spinner. And yeah, we're gonna do that. Oh, I have cheese for my little tacos. But I'm taking it all out now because I want to actually not press it on the meal prep. Woo.
Alright, so I'm attempting to make this. Yeah, I don't think I could do it, but let's see what happens, right?
So I took all my ingredients. I had sweet potatoes, black beans, and some sharp cheddar cheese, and that's it. I put it into here. This is a little bit left over, so I'm just going to eat that now. I'm going to pack these 3 into this container once I warm them up and cool them down, just to melt the cheese. And then these 2 I'm going to eat while they're hot right now. And then my lunch is almost done. So I'm just putting the oven at 350 for probably just like 5 minutes because the only thing I'm trying to do is melt the cheese.
Ingredients. Sorry I shook so much. But should be in 30 minutes. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, so the last thing I'm preparing for my lunch, I am still waiting for my little sweet potato tacos to cool down from the oven. But I took sliced peaches, 3 things of applesauce. I use these against everything in me wanting to because I like to just bring these as these are in my lunches, and they're not that cheap. But I didn't have any applesauce. So normally I'd like the frozen fruit, unsweetened applesauce, and chia seeds and water. But since I didn't have any other applesauce, I used 3 of these. I used my Athletic Greens container. And what I did was I kind of wanted to keep it separated so you could see the how much applesauce versus water versus chia seeds. So I filled the bottom with, it's about 2/3 of applesauce. In the middle of that is the peaches. You can barely see them, but they go from here all the way to the bottom. I think I added like 4 slices of peaches, maybe 5. And then there's a chunk, like a middle section of like 1/3 of chia seeds and then 1/3 water. Wow. So I have more applesauce, I have more peaches, and I have more chia seeds. I am going to clean everything up, redo this, properly shake this, somehow get this out of my shag carpet, And I will check back in when my lunch is ready. It's a typical day in life. Okay, change of scenery. We are at my desk in my bedroom because I cannot sit on any of those couches. So I did get the whole area cleaned up. I'll show you what I ended up packing in my lunch. Ended up getting all cleaned up, packed my lunch, and now I'm eating a couple of those sweet potato tacos. They're so good. They don't have any sauce on them, and they're so good. I still have half of my coffee left. It's cold at this point, but I'm still gonna drink it. And yeah, I'm just basically gonna sit here, enjoy these tacos in silence, and just be grateful that I was able to clean all that stuff up. Couches are still wet, but they'll dry, and luckily nothing that I was using stains. I used peaches, like, instead of something like strawberries, so like literally it was the most non-staining type of situation. I'm so thankful for that. I'll check back in.
I'm steaming this green screen for what feels like forever. And I don't think it's working. But I'm gonna keep steaming it, right? Because today I'm recording my first video for my YouTube page, my own personal YouTube page, R.D.Tiirous, Tiirous. If you guys are ever interested, it's more music based because I am an artist. If you didn't know, now you know. Check out the songs. Anyways, back to this tedious task. There's a little watermark here I gotta clean up.
So I didn't film it. I did pack my luggage. I put away all my dirty laundry, found tights without holes in them, and also packed my lunch, and it is so heavy right now. It is. I do have my full water bottle in there too, though, and usually I put that in my bag. Oh my gosh, I'm like out of breath because that was so heavy. I might move my water bottle into my luggage because that's really heavy. I only have about 20 minutes. Just realized I zipped up my luggage with my makeup in it, so that should be great. But I'm gonna shower, get dressed, run out the door with practically no time to spare. So I will check back in later tonight.
After steaming my green screen for what seems to be like forever, right? It's still wrinkly, so I kind of gave up on that. Tired, needed a snack. Going to Walmart. Hopefully I find something there. If not, I'll just get a milkshake.
Aren't you engaged? I got every right how to talk, how I wanna talk. Catch me on a flight down south, up and down your block. Call me when he want, but he don't know when I pick up. I'm on the move, do what I do. Money comes smooth, do I want come through? These boys so thirsty, they need water. These boys so thirsty, they need water.
I think
These boys so
Treasa will love these. I'm getting them.
Checking in sooner than I expected because I just wanted to know that I fell in the shower when I was just, not even trying to shave or anything. I was just washing up and I fell in the shower.
I don't think that's ever happened before. Maybe once, I don't know. But that is so weird. What is today? First, I spill shit all over my living room, and now I'm falling in the shower and almost breaking my elbow. Like full on. Fell on the ground in the shower right before work. Hoping that that is an omen for a good day, sending positive vibes to myself. I know today has already happened by the time you see this, but still, please have me in your thoughts. Things are going weird.
So, it's really loud. We're listening to some old music in the studio. What you doing, babe? Catch you later. It's really loud. I know you can't hear me. Currently at the studio. Currently just running over some old songs. This is what the inside looks like. It's a party room. So these are old songs we're running through, but just checking it out. Driving light on at night. I don't know if that's illegal or not, but hi guys. So all in all, today's been a really productive day. Like really. Like I woke up, I made food. I know that don't sound like a lot, but for me it is. I brought the car to get fixed. My secondary car, if you guys haven't caught up yet. Secondary car that I'm trying to put out for rent. I failed at that. Not failed, but had to reschedule to a later day. I recorded some music. I ironed my green screen or steamed my green screen. Sounds weird, but I did it. I posted on Insta. Yay for me. More than once a week. It's twice a week now. Woo! The week's not technically over. I could post again. Who knows? And I went to the studio and recorded some stuff. So, you know, all in all, an amazing day. I'm totally in the vibe, in the moment. I love this whole vlogging experience. That's pretty much it. Awkward way to finish the day, but catch you guys later. Bye-bye.
It's currently 1:30 in the morning. I just got to my hotel and I am so dead. I just pretty much I just need to wash my face and stuff, and I am going straight to bed. Check out our next vlog in order to get a little room tour and see where I'm at.
You got my mind doing circles again. You got my stomach knotted up.